Hey everyone, welcome to Crypto Coin Investor. In this video, I'll be, uh, using a certain method to find the top where we will be finding the next major top for the Bitcoin. So there's no denying the fact that this cycle has been lackluster. What you're looking right now in front of you, this is the weekly chart of Bitcoin. So every single candle here represents 1 week worth of price action, and what you see here are 4 moving averages. 21, this white one is a 21 followed by 55-day SMA, and then we have this gray one, which is the 200-day EMA, followed by this maroon one, which is the 200-day SMA. Okay, so this is what we have in front of our screen, and below we have the Stoch RSI, which gives us a very good idea where the momentum is heading. So and I am using weekly time frame because I like to trade on larger time intervals. I'm not using other indicators because I just don't want to. I want to make use of what we have here, and there's no need to make anything complex. All right, so certain things have to be are meant to be kept simple. So what I want to say is, the Stoch, we are about to bottom on the Stoch on the weekly RSI. That is evident. There's no way around it. Okay, and in the previous cycle you can see that we had a double top, and then we went down. You can see that here, and Bitcoin is likely to follow that pattern, and we want that pattern to repeat because we may not even get double top, and we may go to the downside from here. That is not what I want to see, because what I do not want to see is something like this. Okay, so we tested the 21-day SMA, and then we went down. We tried 3 times, and then we went down. So it always does this 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so it always does that. And here as well, it did tested the 21-day SMA 3 times. 1, 2, and then 3. Okay, so I am now expecting Bitcoin to at least touch our white line, which if we pump here and it comes down to this place, would be at around $62,000. So what I want, if I want the previous cycle to repeat again, which is very much likely, so let's remove these first. So you can see that here we went down to test the 55-day SMA. It's like clockwork, and we did hit here as well almost 2 times, and then we went up, we test this white line again, and then we double top. We make a new all-time high somewhere around $80,000, and then we go down in this fashion. Okay, so I am expecting something like this to happen. So if we see what happened last time, when we from here to where from where we bounced, it took us 147 days. Here it might have taken us longer, because the cycles are getting longer and they are getting less vibrant, so less volatility. So and then we pumped, and then we made a new all-time high in 112 days. And if this is the bottom, which I think it is, and we add 147 days, let's make it a little bit prolonged. So it took 40 days more, so we're gonna add 40 days more here. And where do we have? We see the cycle top in the month of February, so maybe by end of January we can see a top. Or if we take the same 112 days, it will bring us to the end of this year. So what I suggest you to do is, once we make a new all-time high, the moment we make an all-time high and all of your altcoins are popping here and there, I suggest you start taking your money out from the market. If you do not want to cash, and you convert it to stable coins, USDC, USDT, USD, whatever suits you, okay? Or DAI, DAI. So this is what I have in mind. This is what I am planning to do. So once we have a curl up here, and we may see a pump, like this, like we did here. You can see that we had a nice pump here. So I'm expecting a similar pump here as well. So as soon as your starch touches this area, it goes above 80, you can start cashing out. So you can see that when it crossed 80 here, we crossed 51,000, it came down and curled up again, and then we made a new all-time high. So maybe not here, it curls up, it comes up here, and then you sell here, and then we go down. And interestingly, my rough drawing matches the time period here as well. So everything is lining up, and this could be your last chance to sell your Bitcoin, altcoins, whatever you have, at all-time highs and new all-time highs. I don't make the rules. The charts are telling us a different story. We may see a big bubble, and then we may go down for a couple of years, and then the Bitcoin will bottom at, I don't know, 30,000, and then we may see a new all-time high. I don't make the rules. That's what the charts are telling me. Alright, that's all about that, and stay subscribed for more updates like these. Bye bye.